Girl, and today we are gonna go get some presents. And while we're getting our presents, our new kitchen is gonna be finished. So once we get our presents, we'll come home and be able to see our new kitchen. Let's go. Before I start, make sure you like and subscribe. Good morning. Ugh. Yay! I can't wait to go get a present today. I wonder what it's gonna be. Me too. Come on, let's get ready. I'll get my headphones on and my clip. You already have your headband on, sis. I'll get my headphones, my clip, and my mouthpiece. Okay. Today I want to wear this outfit. Today I'll wear this outfit. And I want to wear this one. Okay, let's go. Let me just grab my phone and my tablet. Let's go. Okay, here we are. Let's go check out these presents. Okay. Here's number 1 and here's number 2. Ooh, it's a little card. That's cute. And this one, oh, it's a little outfit. Oh, that's kind of cute, I guess. Okay. Let's go check if there's anything over on the shelves we want. Ooh, look at this bunny lamp. It's so cute. Ooh, and these sunglasses. Ooh, I rock these. Okay, let's get these and let's head home. I can't wait to use that bunny lamp. I know, it's so cute, right? Finally, we're home. Come on, let's check out our new kitchen. Whoa. We don't have very much food, but it's fine. I love it. Okay, let's go put our stuff away and then we'll look at it some more. Tablet up here and put my phone right here. And this little lamp. I'm gonna move this. Put the lamp right there. Okay, that's so cute. Now I'm gonna put these sunglasses right there. Okay, now let's go check out the kitchen some more. Wow, it's so cool. Look, there's even a little high chair for you, Lucy. Aww. Whoa, look how many different drinks there are. How do you turn it off? I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Look, we have our own fridge. Mini fridge. Our own mini fridge. It has, oh, energy drinks. Oh, boring. That's for me. Because soon we're going to get a yoga spot right here. And once I'm done doing my yoga, I'm going to get an energy drink. Oh, and my exercise too, of course. Wow. The dishwasher. Ooh, look, it has recipes. Wow. Look how many recipes there are. That's so cool. Okay, let's close that up. I knew I wasn't supposed to get you guys this, but I know you love slushies, so I got a slushie machine. Yay! But I also got myself a hot chocolate machine too, since I love my hot chocolate. So good. And look at all this cute silverware we have. And look, Lucy, you even have your own little kid set. I love, love, love it, Mom. Thank you so much. Oh, you're welcome, honey. Let's see what we have in the pantry. Oh, just some cereal. Yeah, we gotta go shopping soon. Wanna go shopping now? Sure. Let's go. When we come home, there's gonna be a surprise. Whoa, really? Yeah, let me just grab my phone. I'm gonna wear my sunglasses too. I rock these. Okay, let's go. I can't wait for the surprise when we get home. Me neither. I wonder what it's gonna be. What if, is it a new baby sister? No. I'm obviously not pregnant, honey. But what if we adopt one? Well, our life is a little crazy right now for that. Maybe when you're older. Okay. Okay, we're here. Let's get some food. And then, I don't know. Oh yeah, and then we gotta see the surprise. Okay. Is there any good food here? Treats, treats, treats. I want treats. Okay, we can get 3 treats. Yes! Okay, we can get this lollipop. Yeah. Just gonna take this back. Okay, we got a lollipop. How about this cake? And donut, donut. Okay, what color? Blue. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, let's see. I don't think we'll be getting anything from there. Do you guys want some pizza? Yeah. Okay, I'll get some cheese and some fancy cheese. Ooh, it has mint. I've never had mint pizza. I just thought it was fancy. Ooh, Silly Bones, I love this place. Well, let's get some fries and a burger. And what drink do you guys want? Lemonade sound good? Yeah. Okay, got some lemonade. Okay. Put that in the bag. Okay, next place. Oh, wait, I want some ketchup, too. We don't have any ketchup. Okay, I'll hold the back one. Okay. Want some soup, guys? Nah, not really. Okay, I'll just get some. I'll take this kind. Actually, I want this kind. Okay, one place left. Okay, what do you guys want here? Nothing. Well, I like sushi, so I'm gonna get some sushi. Do you want some sushi, Emily? Sure, Mom. Okay, get some of that for me, and some more for you. Okay, I think we're all done here. Now let's go home and see the surprise. Okay, we're home. What's the surprise? We'll see. Okay, I can't wait anymore. Come on. Okay, we're coming. I don't see it. Where is it? What's the surprise? You have to look around, honey. I don't see it. Where is it? Where is it? I can help you once I put this down. Um, okay, let's put our food away and then we can look for the surprise, okay? Unless you find the surprise before we put the food away, okay? Just wait patiently. I'm gonna put you in your high chairs, run away. Okay, let's put our food away. Okay, now that everything is put away, we can look for the surprise. But I'm gonna have some mint pizza first. That is minty. That's good. Wow. Okay, now let's look for the surprise. Mom, I see it. Don't tell Lucy until she finds it. Okay. What, where? I wish I could find it. Huh? What the? What's this? This wasn't here before. Is this a surprise? Is this the surprise? Is it a badge for me? And I don't think I want to eat off of the ground, Mom. Don't you get it, honey? No. I like this toy, though. It's not really my style, though. Can I have a different surprise, Mom, please? Do you not get it, honey? What? We're getting a pet. Oh my gosh, really? What kind of pet? Whichever kind you like. We're going to the adoption center tomorrow. So let's have some dinner and go to bed, and we'll go to there tomorrow, okay? Okay. Let's put you in your high chair. Okay, what do we want to have for dinner tonight, guys? I'll have a popsicle. No. I'll have some sushi. And Emily wants sushi too, right? Yeah. What do you want, Lucy? Pizza. And popsicles. Pizza. Okay, you can have some pizza. I love this sushi. It's so good. Yeah, huh? Okay. Let's clean this up. I'll clean up, Mom. You can go get Lucy ready for bed. Oh, thank you, dear. Here you go. Oh, I don't need that. Okay. Come on, Lucy, let's get ready for bed. Okay, Mom. What outfit do you want to wear tonight? The one I wore last night. Okay. I gotta get you some new outfits. Yeah. How about the day after we get our pet, we can go shopping for some new outfits. Okay, yay. Okay, let me just get into my outfit quickly. And, okay, take your headband off. I'll take my headphones off and my clip off. Emily, are you coming? Yeah, Mom, just one sec. Okay, let's put you in bed. And I'll get in bed too. Wait, Mom. What? The sun's still up. Yeah, 'cause it's summer and you're gonna start school soon. Oh, yeah. No sleeping on your sister's bed. Oh, fine. Go to bed. Okay. You want your lamp on and your little lights on? Yes, please. Okay. Now I'll just hop in bed. Yeah. Coming, Mom. I'm all cleaned up. Yeah, the sun's still out. I can't believe I start school soon. I'm gonna almost be in college. Next year I will, not this year. Okay, what should I wear tonight? Ooh, I want my BCS outfit. Yes, my favorite pajamas. And my outfit too. Okay, good night, Mom. Good night, Lucy. Good night. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you stay tuned for their first day of school and when they get a pet. I don't know what pet it's gonna be, but hopefully a fun one. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.